Now let us learn about the deviations from Mendelian ratio. Two or three small subtopics are included in this deviations from standard Mendelian ratio. First one is incomplete dominance, and the example of incomplete dominance is Mirabilis jalapa, that is known as 4 o'clock plant. Mirabilis jalapa, known as 4 o'clock plant. One more is Antirrhinum majus or snapdragon, you'll learn later on. So let us see what is incomplete dominance. Incomplete dominance can be defined as a phenomenon in which neither of the alleles of gene is completely dominant over the other, and hybrid is intermediate between the two parents. So incomplete dominance can be defined as a phenomenon in which neither of the alleles of gene is completely dominant over the other, and hybrid is intermediate between the two parents. Incomplete dominance is a deviation of Mendel's law of dominance, which states that out of the two contrasting allelomorphic factors, only one expresses itself in an individual in F1 generation, called as dominant, while other which has not shown its effect is called recessive. However, this recessive hidden character reappeared unchanged in F2 generation. Thus, according to incomplete dominance, the F1 phenotype is intermediate between the parental traits. Incomplete dominance is demonstrated by Mirabilis jalapa, that is 4O plant, and you can see in the example given below that when red flower is crossed with white flower, right, you can see here clearly the red flower capital R is crossed with a small white flower, that is small r. You can see the genotype gametes are capital R small r, and in F1 generation pink flower with capital R small r is produced, that is intermediate character. It means I told you that when red flower is crossed with white flower in F1 generation, first pink flower is produced. After selfing, you can say of F1 generation, then you see the cross, it is RR into RR, and here the gametes are like this. You can see here in F2 generation, if you could just make the gametes in Punnett square, this is one red capital R, there is two pink flower capital R small r, and this is RR small r, that is white, that is red, one red, two pink and one white. So this is the ratio, and you can see further here that the phenotypic ratio is 1:2:1, one red, two pink and one white, and genotypic ratio is again 1:2:1, one RR, two RR is to one RR. So this indicates the following traits. Pink is the phenotype of the heterozygous genotype, that is capital R small r, it is heterozygous phenotype. This pattern of inheritance is not due to blending of characters, because 1/4 of the F2 progeny are red flowered and another 1/4 are white flowered, which are the parental combinations. The phenotypic and genotypic ratio are the same. This type of observation has resulted from incomplete dominance of the alleles. So you have seen in incomplete dominance, when a red flower is crossed with white flower in F1 generation, pink flower is produced. Further, you can say Which other plant shows incomplete dominance? As I told you, another example of incomplete dominance is snapdragon, and its botanical name is Antherinum majus. So in general questions, simple examples are asked. So you have to remember these two names. The examples of incomplete dominance is one is 4 o'clock plant, Mirabilis jalapa, and another is snapdragon, that is Antherinum majus. Now next subtopic is codominance. Codominance is a condition in which both alleles of gene pair is heterozygote are fully expressed, with neither one being dominant or recessive to the other. This is codominance. We get a blending of dominant and recessive traits resulting in different phenotype. The example of codominance, you can see that blood group AB, you know there are three types of blood group in man, that is blood group A, blood group B, and blood group AB, and O is universal donor. So blood group AB in human is an example of codominance. Blood group characters is controlled by gene 1 that exists in three alleles, IA, IB, and IO. In IA and IB, subscripts A and B stands for glycoproteins, that is sugar polymers, and are found projecting from the surface of RBCs. The alleles IA produces glycoprotein A, IB produces glycoprotein B, and IO does not produce any of them. The allele IA is dominant over IO, IB is also dominant over IO. Allele IA and IB are codominant and express themselves when present together. Hence, RBC have both the types of glycoprotein, and blood group with will be AB. So what you have learned that in human, blood group AB is an example of codominance in which both alleles of a gene pair in heterozygote are fully expressed. Now the second example of codominance is roan coat color in cattle. There are two types, one with red coat, skin with red color hair, and the other with white coat, that is with white hair. When red cattle capital R crossed with the white cattle, capital W, F1 hybrids, that is RW, have roan color. Roans have the mixed red and white hairs. Thus, both the traits are expressed equally in F2 generation produced by interbreeding of roans. Red roans and white are produced in the ratio of 1:2:1. Thus, in codominance, also genotypic and phenotypic ratios are identical. So, what you have learned, students, that first one of deviation of Mendelian ratio, first one was incomplete dominance. The example were two, that is Mirabilis jalapa, and that is 4 o'clock plant, and snapdragon, Antherinum majus. And here was the codominance in which you learned the two examples, that is AB blood group in human as well as roan coat color in cattle. These are two examples in codominance as well as two examples you have learned in incomplete dominance.